Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Wednesday, March 26th. For Tuesday I was looking for unchanged type behavior. That's what we discussed. The market did provide that kind of action, but for Wednesday I'm looking for a directional play. I'm looking for, it's a week finishes out here, I'm looking for strength to come back to this market, and I'm looking for an unchanged to higher day for the NASDAQ market. And let's move on and let's take a look at what's going on with those currencies. For the euro, I was talking about a sideways move. That's basically what we have, but it's bouncy at these levels, and I am looking for follow through to the upside. Also, in the British pound, we did trade above this bullish level, and the difference between the bearish and bullish level in that market is 63 ticks. And for this market, I'm also looking for unchanged to higher. If we look at the interest rate markets, the notes, I was looking for a sideways type move. It gave us that kind of behavior, so I think that's in keeping with the behavior that we've seen in other markets, although I'm looking for this to continue, and I'm looking for sellers to come back into that market. So I'm looking for weakness there. Gold, I mentioned about a rest day. It gave us that. I'm looking for a sideways move in today's action. And when it comes to crude oil, I also was looking for a sideways move here. I feel the same way. I'm looking for lower prices longer term for this market. Right now, a sideways to lower would make sense to me. And for soybeans, I mentioned about getting an unchanged and slightly higher, a rest type day for this market. That's the behavior we have, and I'm looking for more of the same for today's action. That concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Look forward to being with you again, and in the meantime, take care.